Okay, my name is Glenn Edward Yost. I'm a former Salisbury firefighter, and I have been riding this 76 Shovelhead for 47 years. Been a good bike, took me a lot of places, could find its way to Daytona all by itself in Myrtle Beach, and rode it all through my fire department days. It's been a doggone good bike, and love being part of the Salisbury cruise-ins on Saturday night. And y'all come see us.
Got a 64 Impala wagon. It's a 383 stroker. It's a Magnum 256 6-speed, 390 gears, 30 spline axle, C-clip eliminators. Just got all the full leather upholstery. Got done on that about 2 weeks ago. Just a good daily cruiser kind of thing. Still gets 26, 27 miles on the interstate with the 6-speed. About 18, 19 miles around town. Just a good cruiser, man. Nothing really spectacular. Like the old patina look, because you don't have to worry about shining or polishing. Get as many people come look at it as you do the shiny stuff. Still just fun to drive. Nothing major to it, but kicking it around and having a good time.
Old retired Air Force guy, likes cars. This is my 56. I got it a while back. 327, Texas racing transmission, aftermarket air, all kind of pretty. I don't know what else to
So you got a lot of chrome work.
Oh,
inside.
sure. The whole,
take a look at that.
Lots,
well
lots
detailed.
Lots of chrome.
Chrome fender wells, rear support,
everything.
Splash pan. Really beautiful car.
Really straight car. I got this. Just aftermarket air, little clock, little turquoise clock, all the detail stuff. Pretty nice. But like I say, that's how I got her. Somebody put lots of time in.
So what's the door shut like? That's what people like to know on these.
Listen to it.
Just like a new one.
Like a brand new one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, have to change or replace my blinker fluid. What is that meaning?
That means that they're going to put some gasoline underneath their tail light. And if you look at here on the 56, you click here, pop down, and you put your fuel in down there. They did it on a few different cars, but the 56 was one of them. Everybody in Salisbury, there's lots of nice cars here, and we have a great Saturday night, so everybody come on out. You'll really enjoy it. Lots of variety, some beautiful cars. Good time.